Hey, everyone is getting crazy about those so-called AI agents, or AI systems as I like to call them. So, let's check them out and build one. Nowadays, AI agents are not yet very reliable in my opinion, but let me tell you something. For 90% of the use cases you wanna build, you don't need those so-called AI agents. But predefined AI systems will do it too. So what actually is the difference between those AI agents and an AI systems? Well, this is something I will cover more in detail in my next video, but I will give hints already in the 5 minutes ahead. For now, I am going to show you how you do it for free in Python with only some basic knowledge and not paying for any drag and drop tool you see in the internet claiming to make everything much easier. Give me 5 minutes of your time and you have at the end your own AI system calling the internet to retrieve up-to-date information. Remember, a GPT-4, a Deepseek-r1 or any other LLM has static information about everything it was trained with and not actual knowledge about events which happened yesterday or last week. If we haven't met yet, I'm Christophe Atten and I've been working for more than 10 years in the field of AI and finance. And since 2022, I teach people to use AI and GenAI for their business and themselves. For today's agent, we're keeping it straightforward. The OpenAI API is all we need. It let us use all the OpenAI models, Perplexity model, and even the newly published Deepseek-r1. That's all we need, just the API and some basic Python skill. Want to see how it works? Check out OpenAI's website for function calls and stick around for another few minutes with me to see it directly in action. And before we dive in, a quick shout out to AI Finance Club. If you're into AI, finance, or the powerful mixture of both, this is must-have in your subscriptions. It's packed with insights, real-world applications, and cutting-edge AI trends that can take your knowledge to the next level. Don't miss it out, hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the game. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional AI system that retrieves and processes real-time information. I will break down the code step by step and even give you access to a free Google Colab notebook so you can build it yourself in under 5 minutes. Grab the link in the description, join the community for free, and let's get started together. Okay, so first things first, we need to import OpenAI. When we have done that, we're just creating a 2.txt file, example with the OpenAI key and the Perplexity key, by reading those information in a secure way so no one, if you're showing it, sees directly your key. You can even encrypt this file to be even more secure. To get the keys, just go over to the website, create an account on OpenAI, and then retrieve your key. And the same for Perplexity, just do the registration, the payment, and then you can have your key to use. I will drop both links in the description below so you have directly the right start. Afterwards, we are creating our client for OpenAI and our Perplexity client. You see, we're using the same OpenAI library, we're just changing the base URL to API perplexity.ai. And this you can do the same with Deepseek. I will put you the URL also in the comment below. Afterwards, we're creating our function, the function which will go actually to the internet and retrieve the information. And therefore, we're using Perplexity because Perplexity model called Sonar is very powerful of retrieving up-to-date information. You can also use other libraries like DuckDuck Search or any other API which is retrieving internet information. But for our use case, to show you how you can combine two LLMs together, I use the Sonar from Perplexity. So you give your role, the system, and the content, so your initial prompt, the system prompt. Afterwards, we define the description of the function with a name, description, what it takes as an input, and then the output. We are creating, first import everything so we can directly execute it. So then we are creating our assistant. So we're telling it it's an internet search assistant. We're giving the instruction this time to GPT-4o. You're an assistant helping to find up-to-date information from the internet. We are telling which tools he should use. So it's one tool, the search tool. And then we are just saving it. Then we are creating our client. See, assistant is created, the file is created for chatting. And then we are starting typing. So first question about the internet. Let's say more in general, what was the latest news about Elon Musk from January 2025? So we'll see that the query is this, and in action, I need to go to the internet. I call the tool search with Perplexity. The query is latest news from Elon Musk January 2025. And to compare it a bit, we could take this, we go to the internet, we're checking. So we see something like Inside Musk take over and frantic, 13 hours ago, Elon Musk, how Elon Musk set off 2 weeks of chaos. So let's see, it's in progress, and then we see here, Tesla sales in Europe have dropped notably with a year of decline. It's in January compared to January 2025. Contributing factors, the decrease in the sales, reputation had negative influence the Tesla brand. And then it even gives you the link from where it found. So we click on it and consent, and we see it's really recent from where it took from February 2025. So even from yesterday when I recorded the video. And this would not work if I now go to just using OpenAI. OpenAI has a cutoff in 2023, so it just knows the information until 2023. And like that, you can enhance your application with real-time information by either using the knowledge of the model when it's needed and when it's enough, or by linking it to the internet and using models such as Sonar from Perplexity to get information from the internet up to date and enhancing the query. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we build together a GenAI internet agent and can fetch real-time information from the web and enhance responses using an LLM like GPT-4o. To recap, we have set up together OpenAI APIs to interact with our LLM. We fetch the real-time data from the internet using the Perplexity model, and we both combine everything into a simple function that returns up-to-date AI-generated answers based on the internet knowledge. Now you have a fully functional AI system that goes beyond the static LLM by using internet information. Now it's your turn. Try it out yourself using the free Google Colab link below. And if you have any cool ideas for how we could use AI system, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you find it useful, don't forget, as always, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications so you're always up to date with the latest AI insights. Thank you, and see you next time.